First, scan the QR code and install the Smart Picture Creation app. Next, we will explain setting procedures for the initial registration. Start the Smart Picture Creation app you have installed. Screen appears to enter the activation key. The activation key differs depending on the store. Please use the one that the store you are going to order gave you. After entering those information, tap Next. Privacy policy screen appears. Scroll down the screen to confirm. After confirming our privacy policy, tap Agree. Screen appears to enter your personal infos. Depending on the store, you may not required to enter your email address. After entering those information, tap Next. Screen appears to enter your delivery address. This screen may not appear depending on the store. For such case, you will be required to enter your email address and your phone number when you order. Therefore, they are not necessary at the initial registration. After entering those information, tap Next. Your login and password screen appears. Change the initial login ID and the password to the ones that is easy to remember. You will be required to enter the same login ID and the password for re-login. After entering those information, tap Go. Setting procedures for the initial registration is now complete. Lastly, we will explain re-login procedures. You will be required to re-login when you change your mobile phone and reinstall the Smart Picture Creation. Start the Smart Picture Creation app you have installed. On the key activation screen, tap Connection with Login and Password. Connection screen appears. Enter the login ID and the password you have set at the initial registration. By entering the login ID and the password, registered information such as your name, address, etc. is set without re-entering. After entering the information, tap Go. Procedures for re-login is now complete.